Well, we have a massive update with the Uber and Lyft driver lawsuit. If you didn't know, Uber and Lyft drivers have sued, come together and sued Uber and Lyft, and this is potentially going to be a lawsuit that you as a driver can join to get some of that money in class action lawsuits. I've been involved in a class action lawsuit with Nike, another job when I worked at the Marriott, and they send me checks. It's honestly not a bad thing if you can get involved. So anyways, want to thumbs up the video, my friends, to help support it, help spread it so more people can learn about this. And I want to thank our sponsor, Current. Current is a mobile banking platform that helps Uber and Lyft drivers and gig workers get paid up to 2 days faster. You also earn 4% APY on your interest. I put in $100 just to make sure that it's completely legit. I've had a call with their team. They really love helping out gig workers. And you can start earning money. Like you see, throw in $5-10 after every ride, and you'll see your account grow so fast. And also, you get cash back every time you fill up gas with a Current debit card, and they'll send you one, you can activate it. Anyways, let's get started. Uber and Lyft drivers have claimed a price fixing in lawsuit against companies here in America. A group of drivers of Uber and Lyft on Tuesday accused the companies of unfairly controlling how much passengers are charged for rides in an antitrust lawsuit in California state court. The lawsuit seeking class action status. Class action meaning you as an Uber Lyft driver can get involved and could potentially get a massive payout. I don't want to say it too loud because, let's face it, more people do it. I think the smaller the amount is. Like, let's say it's a $5 million payout. If you got 5 million drivers joining, it's only $1 each, right? I don't know, I'm not a lawyer. Please don't take this as legal advice, okay? I'm dumb, I don't know how the laws work. The lawsuit seeking, do your own research, my friends. I'm not a financial advisor, CPA. These are all the disclaimers. I'm just a random dude on YouTube sitting in his guest bedroom, which I'm in an office. That isn't even a bookshelf, guys. That's a closet, okay? Exposed. Okay, listen to this. The lawsuit seeking class action status in San Francisco Superior Court alleged violations of California antitrust law and state law prohibiting unfair business practices. The drivers claimed that if they were able to offer lower prices to the consumers, it would provide drivers with, quote, the most competitive compensation. By preventing drivers from doing so, Uber and Lyft harm competition in both the labor market as well as the consumer market, the complaint alleged. Customers pay more and drivers earn less. An Uber spokesman responded. Listen to this. He said, the complaint, quote, misconstrues both the facts and the applicable law, and we intend to defend ourselves accordingly. A representative from Lyft did not immediately respond to messages seeking comment. You know why? Because Lyft, usually in these public things, they like to hear what Uber has to say first, because Uber has a massive legal team and Lyft is like, well, maybe let's just see what Uber says first and then we'll respond. Uber and Lyft label the drivers independent contractors and not employees, which is the centerpiece of many legal challenges in recent years in state and federal courts across the country, as well as Prop 22. The drivers are represented by Denver-based Towards Justice and the Edelson plaintiffs firm. So if you want to reach out to them and get involved, there you have it. For a decade, Uber and Lyft have been trying to have it both ways. Rachel Dempsey of Towards Justice told Routers they're trying to avoid the responsibilities of an employer while also maintaining a level of control over the transaction that is inconsistent with the idea that these drivers are independent contractors. The drivers named as plaintiffs in the lawsuit previously opted out of arbitration agreements with Uber and Lyft, allowing them to contest employment-related matters in court. So, very interesting update with this lawsuit. I will keep you up to date as we hear more. I'm going to see if Lyft, maybe I'll try to reach out to Uber or Lyft myself and see if they have any comment on this, although I'm assuming they're not going to respond to comment. But thanks for watching, guys. You guys are awesome. Check out Current using my link to get paid up to 2 days faster. Start earning that 4% APY, which if you know anything about interest, that's huge. And you can get cash back every time you fill up gas. Sign up for Current down below. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye now.